What if I told you your next coworker won't be human, and by 2026, that'll feel totally normal, not sci-fi, not hype. This is already happening. Right now, AI isn't just helping people work faster, it's quietly changing how work itself works. Jobs, teams, managers, hiring, even what it means to be productive. And the crazy part? Most people are still thinking AI is just ChatGPT writing emails. By the end of this video, you'll clearly see how workplaces will look by 2026. Which jobs will change the most and how smart people are already using AI as a career advantage. Let's break it down. Section 1. AI is becoming a digital employee. Here's the first big shift most people miss. AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a digital employee. Not software you open, not an app you click, but something that works in the background all day. By 2026, many companies will have AI agents that read emails, schedule meetings, summarize Slack conversations, prepare reports, track deadlines, follow up automatically, no reminders, no micromanaging. You'll assign tasks to AI the same way you assign tasks to a junior employee. Hey, handle this. And it just does. This is already happening inside startups, tech companies, and even law firms. The difference? By 2026, it won't be optional anymore. Section 2. The 9-5 workday will feel broken. Let's talk about time. The traditional 9-5 workday was designed for humans, not AI. AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't need breaks, it doesn't clock out, so what happens when half your work is done instantly? By 2026, work will be judged by output, not hours. Meetings will shrink or disappear, many roles will shift to 4-day work weeks. Remote and hybrid work becomes the default, not a perk. Instead of, I worked 8 hours, it becomes, I finished the job. And that changes everything. The most valuable employees won't be the busiest ones. They'll be the ones who know how to direct AI effectively. Section 3. Your boss will use AI to... Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI isn't just replacing entry-level tasks, it's helping managers make decisions. By 2026, AI will help leaders evaluate performance, predict burnout, identify top performers, decide who needs training, spot problems before they explode. Not to spy on you, but to optimize teams. That means workplace politics start to matter less, and results matter more. If you know how to work with AI, you stand out instantly. If you ignore it, you quietly fall behind. Section 4. Hiring will never be the same. This part is huge. AI is completely reshaping hiring. Resumes? Mostly irrelevant. By 2026, AI will screen candidates. Skills matter more than degrees. Portfolios beat certifications. Speed beats perfection. Companies will ask, can you solve this problem right now? Not, where did you go to school? AI will simulate real work tasks and judge how you think. This is amazing news for people who are self-taught, switched careers, didn't follow a traditional path, and bad news for people who rely only on titles. Section 5. The most valuable skill won't be technical. This might surprise you. The most valuable skill in 2026 won't be coding, or prompt engineering, or knowing tools. It'll be thinking clearly. Here's why. AI can write code, design graphics, draft documents, analyze data, but it still needs direction. The people who win will be those who can ask the right questions, break big problems into steps, explain goals clearly, combine human judgment with AI speed. Basically, AI amplifies intelligence. It doesn't replace it. Section 6. Small teams will be more powerful than ever. By 2026, you'll see something wild. Tiny teams beating massive companies. Why? Because AI removes bottlenecks. A 5-person team with AI can run marketing, build software, handle customer support, analyze finances, launch products, things that once required 50 people. This is why startups are exploding and why traditional corporations feel slow. If you're ambitious, this is your moment. AI lowers the cost of execution. Ideas matter more than resources. Section 7. What you should do right now. So, what's the move? You don't need to master AI. You don't need to become technical. Just do this. Use AI daily, even for small things. Learn how to explain tasks clearly. Treat AI like a teammate, not a shortcut. Focus on judgment, creativity, and strategy. The goal isn't to compete with AI, it's to work above it. 15. By 2026, workplaces won't feel futuristic. They'll feel different. Faster, smaller, smarter. And the people who adapt early won't just survive, they'll thrive. If this video helped you understand where work is heading, make sure to subscribe for more AI tools, trends, and real-world strategies. I'll see you in the next one.